The Centers for Disease Control says black mothers are 3 to 4 times more likely to die during childbirth than any other demographic. In New York City, black mothers are 9 times more likely to die.
What is even more shocking is that 60% of these deaths are classified as preventable. Pregnancy-related mortality rate for black women over the age of 30, 4 to 5 times higher than it is for white women. And now one of New York's very own is leading a campaign called Love Delivered to raise awareness on black maternal health.
13 years ago, I almost died giving birth to my son. To address these issues that we're having, I would definitely start with the medical schools. There are still some medical books, and I've heard nurses even say this to me, that black and brown people are able to withstand more pain than a white counterpart.
I did not feel like a mother. I had felt like my birthing experience had been taken away from me.
The United States has the worst maternal death rates in the developed world. Think about that for a minute. And joining us this morning is Brooklyn's very own Lisa Price, founder of the Carol's Daughter beauty brand, the creator of the Love Delivered campaign. Good morning, Lisa. Thank you so much for joining us during Black Maternal Health Awareness Week. You know, earlier this week we featured a story with the creators of the documentary Aftershock about the perils that black women face when giving birth. How is this campaign, Love Delivered, going to help improve these statistics?
Well, thank you so much for having me this morning. The program Love Delivered was started by myself, along with Latham Thomas, founder of the Mama Glow Foundation. And we are raising awareness by having conversations, promoting awareness about this issue. We are donating money towards Mama Glow, and Mama Glow does lots of fundraising to help pay for doula education for people who want to become doulas, as well as providing doulas for people who may not be able to afford it, because this is typically not something that insurance will cover.
All right, well, let's get an education here. What are doulas and why are they such an important part of the birthing process, especially in African American communities?
That's a great question. A doula is able to assist a mom, not just in birth, but also in aftercare, lactation consulting. Doulas help you, guide you through the process, and a doula can do everything non-medical. So a doula is able to be your advocate. And why this is so important is so many of us, whether we're black, brown, or white, we don't work in the medical profession. We're not familiar with hospital policies, with protocols. Doulas are, because that is where they do their work. And they are able to be that bridge between you and the hospital.
And, you know, the other thing that I found, Lisa, is I know you had a doula. I also had a doula when I delivered my son, and I felt like she was an extra voice for me. I had goals in my mind that I wanted to achieve with my midwife during my labor and delivery, but I felt like she was there to shine a light for me and advocate for me, especially because my husband was kind of a little terrified, as a lot of times our birthing partners are. Talk about what you think they're able to achieve in those tenser moments where we can see bad outcomes begin to percolate.
They're absolutely able to advocate for you. That's very true. They also can give perspective. You mentioned that your birthing partner, dad, may be nervous, tense, afraid. They don't know what to do to help you. You don't know what to do because you've never done this before. The doula reminds you, your body can do this. You can do this. So many people have done this before you. Let's not panic. Let's breathe. And they can be your voice to the administration, but they can be the voice that you need in your head when you're afraid. And unfortunately, the hospital system doesn't always work that way. We don't always have a staff on call that evening, that morning, whenever, that can be that calm voice, because they have so much work to do as well. So doulas play a huge role in the outcome being the best that it can be.
All right, well, tomorrow is a big day for you because you're hosting your very first Bump Day block party in Bed-Stuy Brooklyn. What can people expect from this event?
This event is just going to be so much fun. We're going to dance, we're going to do yoga, we're going to just have a great time outside in Brooklyn on Tompkins and Putnam Avenue from 5 to 8 p.m. We have lots of local vendors. We'll have things like waist beads and tea that you can drink while you're pregnant, and lots of advice for moms, massage therapy, it's just going to be amazing. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. I already have my outfit picked out.
You know what? One of the most amazing things that I experienced during my pregnancy was being with a group of pregnant women and feeling that energy, that creativity, that love and support. And Lisa Price, I think that's exactly what you're going to be handed out at Bump Day. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you'd like to check out the Bump Day block party tomorrow, 5 to 8 p.m., 372 Tompkins Avenue. And meteorologist Byron Miranda says after 5 is a good time.